I was cranking hard. I was standing up, cranking, coming up that hill.
Yeah.
Changing gears at the same time?
Changing gears, I hope.
Well, yeah, I had already changed.
But you wasn't, yeah, don't.
I know.
You know the trick, right?
Yeah.
Just so you know.
You got to change before you get there.
Yeah, or at least speed up a little bit.
Right, coast.
And coast through it. Oh, wow, yeah, you torqued it good. Okay. Don't let me miss these guys.
Yeah, let me come up. Yeah, you got to go in there.
Hard to work backwards. But it's the easiest way.
Is it, okay, okay, yeah.
Should go.
It don't come on underneath this side, does it? It stays on the top, right? Is that right? Well, let's look at yours. Well,
one way or there. It's got to go the one way.
Yeah, I think that's right. Because it's going to go like this anyway, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's see what you broke here. Use some slack.
Yeah, I took it all back away from you here.
Hold on. Let me have to get in the middle here.
Okay.
Yeah, you torque it. Hold those two.
Okay. Yeah, this be fun, one-person job, huh?
Yeah, man. We just don't do it that much.
So these chains, they pretty high quality on these, or middle of the road? You know, when you buy one outright, or?
Well, you can buy all kinds, but
I'm sure.
you know,
Titanium.
Yeah, all you need is really a mid-grade range.
Like a lot of things, you get the chain too strong, and then you're shearing teeth, right?
Yep.
And there's the tool.
Obviously, this has to come.
Here, just take that link out.
This has to come off. That's going to be. Just have to do this.
Oh, that's just punching that pin out?
Yeah. Just punches the pin out.
Might want to have done that before we put it on the bike, huh?
It's usually not that hard. Maybe I don't have it
centered.
Wow.
Is it directional?
Now, if you were replacing a link, you wouldn't want to push it all the way through. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But since we got a
bad link.
Quickly, yeah, and that's definitely got to come out. Okay.
Good.
Pull your direct, yeah. Let's see. It's been a while since I've done this.
And those just snap in?
Yeah.
That's just a temporary deal?
No.
You got to press it or anything?
Yeah, gotta just turn it. I'll get the trick in a minute.
Oh, I see. It pulls and snaps in.
Yes, it's got a.
Okay, yeah.
You see how it's
Okay,
got
like-
that groove?
yeah.
Okay, let go. It should do.
So his chain's not any shorter or longer or anything?
No,
It's
because
the
we just
same-
replaced the link. We took out the defective link, so he's good to go.
So how much was that little part? $5?
Yeah, it's about $5.
How much was the labor?
Yeah.
That was about $75.
Usually,
$75.
labor's usually twice what parts are, so $10.
Loaded labor rate's about $50 a minute.